Looking to bring a fresh, vibrant touch to your beach-themed room? The Lush Décor Sea Life Daybed cover set offers exactly that, a splash of ocean magic right in your home. With its colorful fish, reef, and ocean floor design set against soothing blue and turquoise waves, this bedding set turns any daybed into a lively underwater escape. I recently added this 6-piece set to my granddaughter's playroom daybed, and it completely transformed the space. The bright marine life print instantly brightened the room, making it a fun and inviting spot to cuddle, read, or nap. Beyond the beautiful design, the quality really stands out. The fabric is soft 100% polyester, comfortable enough for everyday use, and durable enough to handle playroom adventures. Plus, it's easy to clean. Just toss it in the washing machine and tumble dry without worry. This set includes everything you need. A daybed cover measuring 75 inches long by 39 inches wide with a 16-inch drop, 2 shams and 2 pillowcases each sized at 20 by 26 inches with a neat 2-inch flange, and a coordinating bed skirt with a 15-inch drop. Together, they create a cohesive look that's perfect for any beach house or ocean-inspired decor. If you're after a way to add charm and comfort without fuss, this set is worth a look. If that's you, someone who values style, comfort, and easy care, consider the Lush Décor Sea Life Daybed cover set. It's more than just bedding. It's a way to bring the ocean's calm and color into your everyday life. Try it when you're ready to make your space feel a little more like a seaside retreat.